Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter at the Workbench with 3 new diamond plates. That's right. Diamonds are a guy's best friend, right? So you might remember in one of the way back videos, this is a thin piece of tulip poplar. You may remember me mentioning that my 1000 grit diamond plate is wearing out. And so I was shopping around and I didn't want to spend 50, 60, 70, 80 dollars or more on a new diamond plate. But I was willing to spend $16, $17. Now, my 300 grit is still working fine. My 180 grit is still working fine. So I ordered the 1000, 2000, 3000 grit pack. So that's 3 diamond plates for less than the cost of 10 sheets of wet or dry sandpaper, if I wanted to go that route. So this number 4 is in as found condition. All I did was sharpen the blade, 1000, 2000, 3000. Made sure that the bevel edge was sharpened. I put a secondary on it. And the face, or what some people call the back, was flattened and the burr removed. I did not strop. I did not do anything else to it. Like I said, this is a Type 16 Stanley No.4. That's up for adoption if you want it. It's got all the original patina, original knob and tote. And probably could benefit from a good flattening. But as you can see, I'm getting perfectly thin, fine shavings. 1000, 2000, 3000, no stropping. Now, if I were to strop it, it would only get better. So everyone always says to me, Walter, well, what about hardwood? Well, you mean like oak? Here's a piece of red oak. Takes a little bit more effort. Same type of cut. All right. I appreciate you being here. Would love to hear what you say, what you think about the $16 or $17 diamond plates. I'll leave a link to them in the description box. And there's 2 different sets. This set is the fine set, and there is a coarse set. So if you want the coarser set, then go for that one. I wanted to see if I could go with the fine set. Head out to your workshop. Sharpen your tools. Oil them up. Like, subscribe, and share. And go make some shavings. Walter out.